intelligence, whatever other acronym or words we want to use to talk about that. Huge buzzword in the industry. Hear about it all the time. We hear different formats of it. We hear about it in the form of machine learning. We hear about it in the form of, machines taking over, replacing people, etc., etc. As it relates to modern data, messy data, big data, etc., where do you see it all going? What does it actually mean for us?
I think AI / machine learning in the data context is a feature that helps you do predictive analysis. To help you combine hindsights plus foresights, and then also detect things like anomalies and take action from them, prescriptive things, right? So for cases where you don't need a human in the loop, helps you, the machines are intelligent enough to detect patterns, take them beyond what humans are capable of. I think in the context of data, I think that's, that would help potentially transform how our businesses run. And then you have the other side of AI, which, like the image processing and so on, which is a slightly different domain, I suppose. But I think what we'll see is this, AI as a feature on these platforms that helps you do augmented analytics, essentially. So, which is this combination of AI, BI, NLP on a single platform.
Makes sense.